Russian soldier is wondering why they learn how to dig and mow grass instead of having some combat training during their stay in the camp.
Вот. Интересно, чего мы туда едем? Копать? Или траву косить? Или защищать родину свою? Интересно.
Ukrainian Marines with the British Wolfhound in Kherson Oblast. Ukrainian M982X caliber guided artillery strikes on Russian equipment, filmed by Lelika 100 UAV. A small inlet is all that separates advancing Ukrainian forces from the, adorably, named occupied town of Mylov in Kherson. The Ukrainian counteroffensive in Kherson is continuing, and there are some cool videos.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.